Webull Trading Platform Review. Webull is a trading platform that caters to both beginners and intermediate traders. It offers several advantages, but also has some limitations. Let's talk about some advantage and disadvantages. Pros. Webull provides an exceptional user experience. Its interface boasts crisp layouts, easy customization, and modern graphic design across all devices. A standout feature of Webull is its commission-free options trading. This is particularly attractive to options traders looking to minimize costs. Webull supports the trading of 44 cryptocurrencies, including popular choices like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. This broadens your investment options beyond traditional assets. For beginners, Webull offers a valuable feature: paper trading. This allows newcomers to practice trading with virtual money, gaining experience without risking real capital. Webull enables users to invest in fractional shares. This is beneficial for investors with limited funds, as it allows them to buy portions of expensive stocks. Cons. Webull falls short in terms of research and education. The platform's stock and market research content is minimal compared to industry leaders. Additionally, educational material can be dry, focusing primarily on Webull's platform features. While Webull offers stocks, ETFs, and options, it lacks support for mutual funds, futures, forex, and bonds. If you desire a broader range of asset classes, this platform may not fully meet your needs. Webull imposes a 1% markup and markdown fee on cryptocurrency trades. This fee may be considered relatively high compared to other platforms. Webull's customer service has received an average score. Users might not find it as responsive or professional as with some other brokers. Webull shines as a trading platform, particularly for those new to the world of investing. It offers an intuitive user experience, commission-free options trading, access to cryptocurrencies, and fractional shares. However, it falls short in terms of research and educational resources, and its crypto trading fees may deter frequent crypto traders. While Webull is an excellent choice for many, experienced investors may find that it lacks certain features and asset options available at larger brokerage firms. Ultimately, Webull is a competitive platform, but your choice should align with your specific trading needs and experience level. I think you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.